Kaya nung naging presidente siya, pagdating niya sa Malacanang, ang unang-unang sinabi niya sa press ay, I am home. Bakit? Because when she was growing up, she was in Malacanang because the father was the president. So when she became the president, kinabukasan, una niyang interview sa TV, ang sinabi niya ay, I am home. Makikita niyo yung kanyang intention maging presidente ng Pilipinas. Do you get that? And at the same time, si Gloria lang ang president below 5 feet. 4'11 lang. Si Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo ay 4'11. Alam niyo ba na hindi siya pwede magsuot ng grass skirt?